In this video, I'm going to show you how to save number on Zangi Messenger. To save a number on Zangi Messenger app, open the Zangi application on your device, and then if you have received a message from someone whose number you want to save, open up the chat with that person. Now, if you haven't saved the number on your Zangi app, you will be able to see this number is not in your contacts at the top. Tap on the level and then click on Create New Contact, or if you want to add the contact to an existing contact, select Add to Existing Contact. I'm just going to choose the first option so that I can create a new contact. Now type in the name of the contact in the first tab, and then you can also go ahead and type in the last name or add a profile picture for the contact, and finally click on Done at the top right to save the contact. Now the contact will be saved on your Zangi contact list. And that is how you can easily save a number on Zangi Messenger. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.